Hello and welcome everyone to a new video from Tech Updates. Today I'm unboxing the TeckNet laptop cooling pad. This cooling pad is suitable for laptops from 12 to 17 inches in size. It has two USB-A ports as well as 3 cooling fans with LED lights. As you can see, it comes with this bubble wrap inside of the box. And let's take this out. All right, this is the cooling pad with the 3 big fans. This is the guide, and this is the cable. One cable only provided to connect it with the laptop. The length of the cable is approximately around 60 centimeters, around 2 feet. This is the bottom side of the pad with those buttons that you can actually open to higher it from the back. This is the back side with the button as well as the 2 USB-A ports. And let's now test the laptop on it. This is a 17-inch XPS laptop. This is the Dell XPS series laptop 17, and as you can see, it fits perfectly on the pad. However, I needed to use a adapter for the USB-A to connect to the laptop because the laptop only has USB-C ports, and this is one of the drawbacks that I think nowadays onwards such gadgets that work with laptops would need mostly to have USB-C connections and not USB-A, as most new laptops have today's USB-C ports. And once connected to the laptop, I can turn it on, and as you can see, now the fans are rotating and cooling the laptop from underneath with the LED lights on. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and see you in the next video.